What's up, neighbors? I'm Tinashe, and these trainers are from Sicario Studios. I'll be unboxing them, I'll be talking about their cool features and benefits, and then I'm going to style them. So let's unbox these. The box itself, let's talk about that. It comes in this very premium card box. It feels similar texture to like when I first bought my first MacBook. So if you think of an Apple product, that kind of premium, smooth, soft feeling card, this is what this box feels like. It's very, very nice. It's a good size. And yeah, just in general, the presentation of the packaging looks like they put some effort, they put some thought, and they put some money behind it. It does feel expensive. You've got the Sicario Studios logo embossed on the box, but it's not printed on, it's actually embossed. Again, giving you that luxury experience when you first receive the product. In terms of opening it, there's some magnets on either side, and you pop the magnets and it just flaps open like so. And straight away, you are greeted with the logo. So once you open the box, obviously it's got the logo in the center and obviously the trademark Sicario Studios going across it. It's printed in sort of like a gray color. I like that it's gray and not black. Again, it's just a subtle difference, but again, it just adds to the experience of luxury that it's not predictable like black and white. It's this unique shade of gray. It feels like leather, but it's actually textured card that's like leather, which is still pretty cool, to be fair. Crafted for those that were built different. Well, you're preaching to the church, because we at GentNextDoor are definitely built different. Okay, now we have a complimentary card here. Again, this is actually leather. Just look at that, guys. That is actual leather. Then you get a drawstring bag, which is suede in this beautiful gray shade. They've got a really good, nice branding color palette. And again, stitched on in leather is the logo. Again, that's beautifully stitched. And then we open the drawstring and voila, there are the shoes themselves. Very nice. Gosh, the packaging is worth keeping. I'm not throwing any of this away. It's so nice. So in terms of the way they're packaging it and the way it's presented, it's a pretty impressive start, it must be said. Now, if you're a regular viewer of my videos, you know I talk a lot about the importance of footwear. I mean, you can do very well with an outfit from top to bottom, but if you get the footwear wrong, the whole outfit is wrong. So you can imagine how pleased I was when Marcus, shout out to Marcus at Sicario Studios, reached out to me and said, hey man, I love your channel. I'd love for you to take a look at my trainers and sneakers and review them. And I was, really taken back that he took time out to check out my channel, like what we're about. And he kindly sent me 2 pairs of his handcrafted trainers. Excuse me if I keep switching from sneakers to trainers. I understand most of the people who watch my videos are from America, and you guys call them sneakers. Here in the UK, we call them trainers. So I'm just gonna go for the UK and call it trainers. The all black ones are called the low 1 Courtside Blackout, and these navy ones are the low 2 Minimalist, and these are called Essential Marine. Sicario Studios are from Denver, United States, and they craft luxury footwear and accessories. All their accessories are made from the finest leather from across Europe, including Italy, France, and Spain. Creative values of the brand are to create timeless pieces that will never go out of fashion, of the highest quality and craftsmanship with attention to detail and elegance. So let's start off by talking about the Blackouts. And the general silhouette, obviously, is a low-cut, flat sole silhouette. Now, I am a big advocate of low-cut flats because for every man when they're building their wardrobe, this silhouette of shoe is the most versatile that you can get. It's not like a cup or basketball trainer or like a running shoe, which really are limited because they're very sporting in their silhouette. But this is more akin to a shoe in terms of the silhouette, which means that you can pull this off whether you're wearing something very sporting, like maybe a pair of joggers, a classic pair of joggers. You can wear these with jeans, shorts, and you can even wear this with sort of tailoring, like relaxed tailoring and a suit. Of course, this one comes in all black, and I received them and I opened the box. The first thing that struck me was the smell of the leather. And the Italian leather has a specific smell. If you've ever been in an Italian luxury car, if you've ever been in a Ferrari or something, the first thing that hits you when you open the door is the smell of the leather. And I got the same sensation when I opened the box. So this is legit. This is some of the finest leathers that you can find. As a matter of fact, the tanneries where Sicario sources their leathers are the same tanneries that some of the most luxurious and famous brands source their leathers from as well. And from the touch, the feel, and the smell of it, I can tell you this is top quality. This is top shelf stuff. The navy blue pair is called the Essential Marines. And again, I have to mention the smell of the Italian leather, guys. It is just off the scale. This is painted navy blue cowhide. It's really well tanned. You can see that it was done properly. This is not a cheap job in terms of getting the color on this. So it's accented by embossed cowhide leather. So it's actually the texture again that's giving you this beautiful contrast, but it's not shouting, it's not screaming, it's whispering. It's understated, sophisticated, but it's still saying a lot through the details. Of course, my channel is a styling channel. I wouldn't call myself a footwear expert, but I'm definitely a footwear connoisseur and enthusiast. So I'm going to put together some outfits and show you guys how you can wear these shoes. As I said, the reason why I chose these particular styles is because of the versatility. With navy blue and black, the colors are versatile colors, they're neutral colors. So I'm going to show you how you can wear this for casual purposes and also how you can wear it with suiting as well. Just a quick note on fit though, they do have insole padding, which is quite thick. So I haven't tried them on yet, but when I do, I am expecting them to fit quite snug, at least at first. So if you do buy these and they fit quite snug the first time around, don't panic, you haven't got the wrong size. They are supposed to fit snug because of that thick padding for comfort, but they will mold into your shoe and flatten out a little bit, and then you'll actually find that there'll be a perfect fit after a wear or two. Yeah, I think I've spoken a lot about the construction and the build of these shoes and the way they feel. Now let's put together some outfits. So to start off with, I'm going to style the Blackouts, and I'm going to go something more formal. I'm going to dress them up. So I've got these wide leg trousers from Minimalist Devoir, which are high waisted, so perfect to add a bit of height. And I'm going to go for a classic autumn color, which is burgundy. Don't throw away your t-shirts for autumn, guys. They're great for adding color and embellishments to your outfit. So yeah, t-shirts are going to go for full tuck in. Yeah, first time around putting them on, they feel great. And yeah, full tuck in as I said. And then to top up the outfit, I'm going to put on this vintage double-breasted jacket. It's got these very proud and broad peak lapels and very proud padded shoulders. So really giving you a stance and a sense of aura. As you can see how the trainers fit pretty well. And yeah, so that's if you want to dress it up. And then for the blue, we're going to dress it down. So we're going to go for a more casual look. So these are not wide leg, these are sort of straight leg trousers. And another great color for autumn, which is green, which I'm going to pair them with. So it's kind of like matching the colors together. And instead of a blazer, I'm going to go for this bomber jacket and giving me that sort of oblong silhouette. And again, it just shows the versatility of these styles. You can dress it up for something more smart and for something more casual. In terms of pricing, these come in at $240. That translates to around 180, 190 pounds. Now, when you consider spending that kind of money at, in here in the UK, we've got stores like your JD Sports, your Foot Locker. I think this is a superior trainer. You're getting the exclusivity, because obviously they're not proliferated across the market. They're not available everywhere. It's a new niche, pretty high-end brand. So you're getting exclusivity, the fact that nobody else has them. Number two, hand craftsmanship and high quality materials. And number 3, you're getting great style, versatile style, timeless style, classical style. So those are the 3 main benefits that I think you're getting for your money. And if you're watching this, there is a reward for that. You can use the code GentNextDoor. I've left the details below. Shop him online at SicarioStudios.com using the code GentNextDoor and actually get 25% off these trainers. Go on the website, get a little bit more affiliated with the brand, and by all means add these to your shoe collection. The whole sort of experience of having them, the packaging, the storytelling behind the packaging, behind the brand, the quality and feel and smell of the trainers, the way they look, the way they can be styled in different ways. It's definitely a green light for me. So that's the review of the Sicario Studios trainers. What did you guys think? What are your thoughts on this? I would love to hear that. So please open up the conversation down below in the comments. If you have any more questions, you want to get more details about what the trainers are actually like, you want to ask me more information, then again, leave me a comment below or DM me on my socials. All the handles are below as well. If you enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you for joining me as I strive to build this little community and really help men build their personal style to achieve their goals in life. That's all from me. So until the next one, guys, peace.